Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, it might be a little difficult with this wind.
You nearly lost one today.
Oh no. Where? Here?
Yeah, the other side.
Like this. So what we got today is really nice weather. You're really, you're lucky in that. You're lucky. You booked yesterday. Oh my God. It's all the kind of experience. Without some, because that kind of wind, impossible to come. Yes. You know, my short like this, small road, that hits me all the time. All your face exfoliating. Yeah. Outside you eat maybe a half a kilo. Remember, you have salt, so it's dangerous for your eye.
Yeah, I can actually taste it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a DJI action cam. Yeah. Oh, it's like, it's just magnetic. Yeah.
Thousands of hours of footage.
Yes.
This trip.
Plenty.
And then it's only 8 minutes of perfect.
Yeah.
That's
The first 2-3 weeks back, just
it's so hard.
oh.
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah.
When you then show them to people like, oh, that's a sunset.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Okay, wait
Still
now.
sunset.
Wait now.
It's my task when I'm back at work. The first few days working from home, just go through my photos, pretend I'm still away.
But you need to do like 10 rounds to go all over again. The race and the race.
Oh, definitely.
Ali, what's the highest you've been?
Paracas.
Paracas.
6,500.
Oh wow.
Shit, I never want to think back for that guy. Never.